Black magic is a real and dangerous problem that can cause a lot of harm to individuals and families. If you suspect that you or someone you know may be the victim of black magic, it is important to seek help from a qualified expert. In this video, we will discuss what black magic is, how to identify the signs and symptoms of black magic, and how to find a qualified black magic removal expert. Black magic is a real and dangerous problem that can cause a lot of harm to individuals and families. Black magic is the use of dark forces and evil spirits to harm others. It can be used to cause physical harm, emotional distress, or financial ruin. The signs and symptoms of black magic can vary depending on the individual, but some common signs include 1. Sudden changes in personality or behavior. 2. Unexplained health problems. 3. Financial difficulties. 4. Relationship problems. 5. Bad luck. If you suspect that you or someone you know may be the victim of black magic, it is important to seek help from a qualified expert. When choosing a black magic removal expert, it is important to do your research and make sure that they are reputable and experienced. Noor Channel official will guide you on the path to removing black magic in accordance with Islamic teachings. If you are the victim of black magic, there is hope. With our help, you can remove the black magic and reclaim your life. We at Noor Channel official are a trusted source of information on Islamic topics, including black magic removal. Our videos are informative and respectful, and they are always based on Islamic teachings. If you are suffering from black magic, please reach out to us for help. We can offer you guidance and support as you work to remove the black magic from your life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Islamic topics.